Hello guys, this is an tutorial how to download Delta Executor on Roblox. First, you need to delete Roblox first your old Roblox, and second, search Delta Executor. Now, if you find this, click here. If you don't find it, search this Delta Executor computer.com. And if that's finished, find it's gonna pop up a link. Search. If there's ads, just skip it. Just skip. And if you find this again, click here, I think, and click. And guys, if what devices are you using, click it. I'm Android, so I'm gonna click Android. It's a lot of ads, okay? Now click download now. Just click free download. There's ads a little bit.
Kung ano man ang iniinom mo, ipasa mo na iingit ako. Bilisan mo at buksan mo na yan.
Wait, there's still ads. Okay.
Tingin ang anak ko niyan.
So if you find here, click. Just find what you want to download. I'm gonna click download ARM64 cause it's more safer. Click here, free download, like that. Right, there's ads. Just skip it. Again. Oh, I mean this is actually a real. Just click. It's if it's like this from yours, just skip it. Steps completed. Yep. There, I think this ads or no. Oh, it's actually ads. Wait. Okay. First, now click download anyway. Now you see it. See, that's just wait. I'm gonna also teach you how to get a key on Delta later, okay? Just wait patiently on the video. If you want to download Delta, this is official, okay? You can even do it on iOS. I also downloaded other games like Human Fall Flat, New Pipe Pure Tuber, Unpatched Internet Speed Hobex, like that, from Delta. Now let's play it. Now let's search. Wait. This is in Vivo app. This is on Vivo phone, so it's like this. And it's almost. See, I'm a master, right? I just downloaded my Roblox that has Delta in it. I just want to make you a lot of being happy. Wait, it's almost. This is safe, by the way. See, installation completed. Just make sure that there's no named APK or EXE because it's and allow access to manage all files because maybe it's a virus. Now it's there here. See, just click here. I just made a mistake. Now it's here. You need to log in your account. You need to use your password, right in the password. So you need to remember your password or your and that. So it's finished. I'm gonna make you see the Delta key on YouTube. Right? I'm gonna teach you how to get a Delta key. Okay. Bye guys. See you later.